things. There's a lot of bad things. So they wishing and wishing and wishing and wishing and wishing on me. Hey. She said, do you love me? I tell her only partly. I only love my bed and my mama. I'm sorry. Don't even got it tatted on me. 81, they'll bring the crashes to the party. And you know me. Turn the 02 until the 03. Without 40, I'll leave there, you know me. Imagine if I never met them.
Hey guys, thanks for tuning into this video. I'm going to be showing you a really cool eyeshadow look from NYX. I'm super excited. I hope you like it. Enjoy!
So pretty. So pretty. Okay, warning, I am not a makeup guru, makeup pro, anything like that. I'm literally just using this NYX palette for the first time. I haven't touched it yet. It was really beautiful. I saw it and I just had to buy it. So I'm trying it out now. I've watched a lot of YouTube videos. So I'm gonna do an eye look. Hopefully it'll turn out beautiful and I can wear it for Valentine's Day tomorrow, and maybe you guys can also try it out as well. But this is the NYX Perfect Filter eyeshadow palette. This one is the Rustic Antique palette and it is very, very beautiful. I love the colors in there. It reminds me of fall, like just fall colors, but it has some really nice pinks and golden tones and shimmer tones inside that I find to be really, really cute for Valentine's Day as well. So I'm going to try it out. First and foremost, I'm just going to put a base on my lid and I'm going to use this shade right here. And let me see if it has names. I don't think it has names. Yeah, no. There's no names on it, so I can't tell you like the names of each shade, but obviously you guys know the name of the palette and I'm showing you which color that I'm using. It's just this shade right in the middle. So I'm just gonna take the shade and put it on my eyelid. Wow. It definitely feels very smooth and oh, a lot of color payoff. There is a lot of color coming out. And I'm honestly not even tapping a lot. I've just done this. And then applying it onto my lid. And look at that color. It is really coming through there. Wow. Okay. So now I'm going to take this blending brush here and I'm going to go into my lid with this orange tone here. I guess as what they would call a transition color. I'm not sure, guys. But I'm trying this out for the first time. Like I have a vision and I feel like it will go the way that I want it to, or it won't. It's either it will or it won't. And I'm hoping for a will. I'm gonna then go in with another transition color, which is this burgundy color right here at the top. I think it's so beautiful and I really want to just transition with that color as well. Ooh, that's pretty. I should be using a different brush, I feel. Where's my brush? Okay, I'm gonna use this e.l.f. contour brush to do that. Like I said, I'm by all means not a professional. but I'm hoping that this will turn out somewhat good. I'm going to go back with this brush again that I used in the beginning. This is, I think this is MAC. I think so. It's a 807 brush if it's from MAC. And I'm gonna go in, oh, yeah, there's two colors in here that I really think would be like super nice for like Valentine's Day. Like this color here, I feel like would be good, but I'm scared that it might be too light for me. And then this color here, like a dark red. And then I'm nervous about this color as well. I want to try it, but I'm scared. So I think I'm just going to be safe and stick with this color here. It might be like really good. It might be better than what I think. Okay, let's try it. Putting it right in the middle of my lid. Wow. Okay. Let's give a round of applause to NYX because their color payoff on this palette is like amazing. Like the colors are just coming through so well on my lid. Ooh, I like it. I like it. Color is just really coming through, and I'm just gonna try and blend that up into that red burgundy color. So this is the color. What do you guys think? Do you like it? It looks like a I feel like it's missing like a brown, like a deep color. I have this like dark color here, and this is my CoverGirl True Naked Nudes palette. I have this dark brown here. I'm gonna try that into my crease and see how it works. What do y'all think? Does that add some like depth to it? I wish you guys were like live so that I can like ask you. That'd be perfect. I think it kind of does add some depth to it. Gives it like a little more of a dark smoky look, which is like cool. Sorry, I'm just gonna smoke the bottom too. I really do like this palette, the NYX palette. I think it is missing like a brown. It's missing like a dark color to like really give it this some depth. And obviously like you could do so much with this palette, and there is like a dark brown here, but it's a shimmer. It's not really like a matte, so you can't really add too much depth to it without it being like shimmery and, you know, very loud. But so far I really do like this palette, and I will definitely use this again. It's a really, really good palette. I'm glad I got it. I think it was $24. I paid $24 for it, yeah. Canadian dollars, sorry. That's as much as I really want to go with that. I think the eyes look good. I'm just going to use some eyeliner. I also got an eyeliner from NYX. It's a mousse liner, and I'm going to just put this on my eyes. And then mascara, I'm using Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara It is literally so good. Oh my god. I love how the eye looks. Look at that. Okay, Ebony, you did such a good job. Okay, I'm going to finish off my face and then I'll come back with the final look. Alright guys, well that is the end of my video. This is my eyeshadow look for Valentine's Day. It's very simple, very neutral. I really do think that the NYX palette was very easy to use for beginners, as I am a beginner. I think that there should have been a darker matte color in the palette, just so there was like a, you know, something to make the eye look a lot more, I don't know, like maybe it's just my vision, but I felt that it needed like a dark matte color, like the color that I used for I don't even know the term, for in my crease here. The one that was in the CoverGirl palette, the True Naked Nude palette, that is a really good color to have in, I feel like, this rustic palette as well. So I definitely do think it is a good palette. You just have to be really creative with the colors that are there. But if you do have other colors from other palettes, like a darker matte black or dark brown color, that's definitely something that you can use to you know, put in your crease and make it a little bit more sultry, more smoky. But apart from that, I do love how my eyes look. I also really like the mousse, the eyeliner mousse. It's so good. I like how my eyes look, my cat eyes, and I think this makeup look is a plus, and I'm definitely going to do it tomorrow for Valentine's Day. And happy Valentine's Day to everybody out there. I hope you guys would be my Valentine. I definitely consider you guys my Valentine. Yeah, that is the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, I'm not a pro. I'm going to put like a disclaimer in the beginning just so you guys know. I am not a professional when it comes to eyeshadow, but I love to try new things. I like to experience new things. So this was definitely something new for me, and it got me to really try something new, and I'm like absolutely loving this eye right now, and I can't. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay blessed, stay beautiful. Happy Valentine's Day, and I hope you guys enjoy your day. Bye. See you in my next video.